What's up everybody, whydavis here, back with another review. So I'm showing you guys the Air Jordan 2 Python. Alright guys, these officially came out today for a retail price of $175, and I was able to just walk into Foot Locker and pick these up today. Now I was surprised that they did actually have these in store. Normally Foot Lockers don't get a lot of Air Jordan 2s in there. But anyway, let's get into it guys. So this is what the box looks like. It's like a cream box. At the top here we see the Air Jordan logo with the wings logo. On the front of the box, they go to size 9.5 on these. The suggested retail on this is $175 once again, and you can currently get these for about $140 on the aftermarket, and in a few months from now they'll probably be $100 and less in my opinion. But let's open up the box and let's talk about this shoe. So we do get a stamp on the inside of the box, as you guys can see right there. Taking out this beautiful shoe. What do you guys think about it? Is it a copper drop? Let me know in the comments box below. But it's in a majority of a white, gray, and black. You know, these colors are very neutral and easy to match up with. So if you guys came to this video not liking twos, I might change your mind when you guys look at the end of the video and watch the on feet sizing and review with the pants. But let's get into it guys. So this is the shoe right here. On the inside of the box is some regular tissue paper. The only thing that we do get extra on the inside of this box is this card right here, and it just tells you a few different things about the Air Jordan 2. All right, but other than that, that's it. No white and green sticker on the tissue paper or inside the box here. But let's get into it guys. So this is the bottom of the shoe right here. Okay, it's in a black, gray, and like a purple type of look. And it says Nike down there with the sizing, so whatever size you do have, it will say that on the bottom of the shoe as well. Looking at the midsole here, it's in a cream on both the outside and the inside of the shoe. Now coming up towards the base of the shoe here, it's in a majority of white. We see some gray and we see some black. Where you guys see that gray, it's like a Python feeling material. Now you can feel that this material is raised up and it feels really nice. In my opinion, it also feels like a suede like material. But what do you guys think about this design, and are you guys going to pick these up? I know a lot of heat is coming out, you know what I mean, so you guys may have to pass on this one and wait for it to go under retail a lot more, but it's a lot of stuff coming out and I can't wait to review it here on the channel for you guys. But this is what the shoe looks like on the outside of the shoe. Feeling the leather on this shoe is not the best leather. It's not a tumbled leather. It's just some regular straight white leather, but a nice shoe to have if you're looking for something to buy, you know what I mean? Same thing on the inside of the shoe. I don't see a lot of glue stains or a lot of stitching errors. I see a little bit of imperfections up here by the ankle area, but other than that, what can you do? You know what I mean? These shoes are made in the masses, but this shoe is really, really nice in my opinion. Now, do I think it's worth the $175? Probably no, because these are going to be under retail once again, but you know, to each his own. Now looking at the toe box here, I have a code of whydavis on creasepiece.com if you guys want to save yourself $5 on crease piece protection, because these will crease up pretty easily in my opinion. We do have some holes around the toe box going towards the inside and the outside of the shoe as well, and that does have a lot of breathability in there. Looking at the front of the mud guard, there's some white stitching, some cream and gray creeping up from the bottom of the shoe. Now unfortunately we only do get one set of laces on these, and they come with some white laces, but if you guys look at what the laces come with on the left shoe, it kind of looks like an air freshener, but it's just a tag saying Air Jordan with the wings logo, and if you guys turn around it says Nike Air. All right, and on the other shoe, it just tells us that this shoe will have some imperfections, and you know, maybe the material will start to fall off and things like that. So I'll show you guys both sides of that as well. All right, but looking at the tongue here, it does come in a white leather tongue. At the top of the white leather tongue, it says Air Jordan with the wings logo in black. The background of that is in white. Looking at the inside of the tongue here, it says Imagine in black and red. Really dope detailing right there. We do get some tissue inserts on these on the inside of the shoe. The sock lining of the shoe is in a black. The production dates on this is 08/02/23 to 09/09/23. Give you guys a quick look at that real fast. We do get an elastic band tongue on here, so your feet will stay locked in at all times, even when you have these shoes unlaced. But make sure you guys stay throughout the whole video for the sizing tips. Now, taking out the actual insole, so this is one of the best insoles that we do get on Jordan shoes. It's very comfortable. They didn't give us the cheap stuff on this shoe, which is a good thing to see. Underneath the actual insole, it is gray with some white stitching in there. I'm gonna show you guys that real fast. Coming towards the back of the shoes here, it says Nike and some red stitching. And background of that is in black. Going down a little bit more, we see some black translucent. A little bit under that, some cream rubber. And that's pretty much gonna do it for this shoe, guys. All right, now I'm showing you guys my foot is in the toe box right now. Okay guys, so this is what they like on feet. Pretty clean in my opinion. Now I'm a true size 9. Let me get 9.5 on my shoes. I did go up half a size on these. Now I will say that this is a true size fitting shoe, but it's all depending on preference. I don't have any slippage on here, as you guys can see, and I like to wear my shoes unlaced like you guys see on the left pair. Since this shoe does also have the elastic band tongue on the inside of the shoe, your foot will stay locked in a lot better. I'm showing you guys my foot is in the toe box right here, so I'm working around, but if you guys cannot tell, my big toe is right here, so I do have a good amount of space in the front of this toe box, as you guys can see right here.
Now that's why I'm saying this shoe does fit you true to size, but I do still feel a little bit of this material right here on the inside and a little bit on my pinky toe, not that much, but as you guys see, like this is my foot on this material. It's not moving or budging at all. So going true to size, I'm pretty sure, you know, that will hurt your foot a little bit more. All right, but once again, I do have some space in the top of the toe box, but the issue where I'm feeling a little bit of pressure is on the inside and on the outside of my foot right here. That's where I feel like this leather material. Okay, well, other than that, they feel really nice on the feet. Also, when I scrunch on my toes, I do feel the material right here. But, you know, I would say go up half a size for a better wearing experience, you know, but some people just want to go true to size to break it in. It's all up to preference though. But I'm gonna show you guys what these like some pants options right now.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned.